Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Kelly Carroll, Director of Cyber Education here at the Tunkhannock Area School District. This is an informational video for students K-12 on how to access your email through Office 365. You want to go ahead and open up an internet browser. So for this presentation, I'm using Chrome. I'm going to put in tasd.net into the browser, and then I'm going to get onto the home page of Tunkhannock Area School District. As soon as I'm on the home page, I'm going to see this icon for Office 365. You want to go ahead and click on that login page. And then it's going to ask you to put in your username and password. So this is the same username and password that you've been provided to by the district. So thank you to Jacob for being my student demonstration. And then you want to stay signed in. And now you are logged into Office 365. But in order to access your email account, you want to go up to the top of the left-hand corner. You want to click the app launcher. And then you want to go ahead and click Outlook. And then this is going to give you access to your email account. And now you have access to all your emails. Thank you for watching.